we're gonna do some science experiments actually. What we need for that? What is this, Ethan? Haldi. So that is turmeric. And what is the color?
Mumma.
Yes, and in English?
Mumma.
In English, what's the color?
Mumma.
Yellow.
Hey everyone, as you already heard that we are going to do some science experiments for toddlers. So for Ethan, yes, it's a little bit difficult to to keep them steady in one place when you're doing this. I tried my best, and you can see that sometime in between he's just looking here and there. His like concentration is going. But yes, once he started doing it, he actually enjoyed it, because next day also he was asking me to give him yellow. He was just saying like this and giving me the sign that he wanted, but unfortunately I finished with the vinegar, so that's why I couldn't do it next day. But really, it's very good activity for your kids, especially if you can't take them outdoors just for any reason or rain or something. So this will be good to keep them busy and just to give them some science knowledge.
Hold it.
So I'm trying my best that he can do all the work what I want him to do. And yes, but he needs little help, because I don't want him to spill everything. And then because what happens, it's fine, he can spill it, but then once I clean it and everything, maybe then his mood will get changed. That's why I just want him to do all the things, or all the means participation and everything. So the more, and also guys, you can just teach them anything, like as I was just showing it here, that how many glasses we have too, and like what is this. So he said that spoon, so he said in his words, but yes, he did said spoon. So like that you can tell what is the color of the lid, which is with the detergent. So anything you can teach with that, and it's really help their brain to catch all these things, because it's the thing, like it's a real thing which they are looking at, not like in a picture or anything.
Is it turning red?
Even though guys, it's very simple activity that turmeric is changing color, but it really has like lots of benefits for toddler. So let's talk about that. So number one is like it stimulates curiosity, because toddlers are naturally curious about the things, like what is happening and how it is and why it is, right? Means I know Ethan is very little. He still don't speak much words, but at least he's observing things, right? And also it develops the observation skills, like how the color is changing. And that is why I didn't mix it with the other glass, so he can see. And I was repeating it, see, that we mix means it was yellow, and then we add detergent, it turns to red. And then you can add so many words here, guys. You can extend their vocabulary, like reaction, acid, alkaline, solution, experiment, and all those things. I did this activity again in a big bowl, but after I finished this video, so in that I was teaching him that it is reaction. So when you put something in something, it reacts. So this has happened. And yes, you can introduce cause and effect also, like it enhance the sensory exploration, because the sense of smell. So like when we added here vinegar, which was a smelly, so you can means they can smell that it's like a different, right? So yeah, and like it also promote early STEM learning. So like it's laying the foundation for future scientific exploration and understanding. With the turmeric changing colors, this activity is like has a chemical reactions, and also like it's like acid and bases. So you can like and changing colors, just introduce the colors. It's like so many things you can do it on your way, in your way, like how do you want to, what you want to tell. So like this one is a foam, so you can tell, oh, this is a foam, so this foam is a new word for them. So this is how they can build their vocabulary and everything. So like as I said, colors, even you can tell the quantity of the water, like we are taking half glass of water. So there are so many things we can teach them. So I do actually different things for Ethan. So like the quantity one, I do it differently. But yes, I'm just suggesting like what else you can do here for to teach your kids. And really it's very enjoying and very like engaging activity for toddlers, especially if you want your toddler to stay steady in one place and listen. I think science is the best part. There are other things as well. I'm gonna experiment, so I'm gonna share with you guys if it's working or not and how it is, because he really liked it. So that's why what I did, I have a big glass bowl which I usually use for my baking, and I added same thing on that, and then he was doing it because I feel that maybe glass is a little bit smaller for him. So that's why I use the big bowl. I didn't means shoot that video just because I means it's already done it, same thing I was doing it. But yes, you can, if you really want to see, you can see on my live which I have shared it on Saturday. You can have a look and check it out if you want to. So yeah, means I really love it, and I think Ethan as well.
Wait. It's glass, Baba.
Next one is also a simple activity, which is like vinegar and baking soda, and these two things you can use in a very different ways. So the first way is I have just added like little quarter cup of vinegar, and then I have added baking soda. But what mistake I have done, I have added more baking soda, means the size of the glass and the vinegar. We need to see that how much. I think half a teaspoon is enough, or just maybe more than half a teaspoon, but not one, not fully one, means one tablespoon. So and I have added color here also. I think I was like left with this color. I do have blue color, but I don't know why didn't I put the blue one. Red one is looking like little bit blood to me, but I said okay, now it's done. So we have added on the glove. I just want him to see that the glove is, fluffing by itself with the air just because of the bubbles and all, but it went wrong and it fluffed. But then I told him like, okay, this is the way the volcano does. So anyways, science has like failures and also success, so we have seen both, so that's okay. Thank you so much guys for coming and watching our videos. Thank you so much for sharing and showing your love towards our videos. I'll be back with such activities for your toddlers, which is easy to do at home. And I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thanks for watching. And once again, thank you so much for your support and love. Bye bye.
He's shocked.